Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create quote in Zoho Books. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Sales tab. This is your main hub for managing all sales-related documents within Zoho Books. Click on Sales, and from the drop-down menu, select Quotes. Here, you'll see any existing quotes you've created, and from this section, you can easily begin making a new one. Look for the Create New Quote button and click on it. You'll now be directed to a new page where you can fill in all the necessary quote details. Start by entering the customer's name. If you've already added customers to your Zoho Books account, their details will automatically populate certain fields for you. Next, input your quote number, which acts as a unique identifier. Many businesses follow a specific numbering system to keep everything organized. After that, add the quote date, the date you're issuing the quote, followed by the expiry date, which defines how long the quoted prices and terms will remain valid. Make sure this aligns with your company's policy. Now move on to the item details section. Here, list all products or services being quoted, including their descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Providing accurate and clear details helps prevent confusion later on. Once everything looks good, finalize your quote by clicking Save and Send. This not only saves the quote in your system, but also lets you email it directly to your customer, ensuring it reaches them quickly. And that's it. So that is how to create quote in Zoho Books. So that's all for this video. Thanks.